Somebody asked me to just generally take a look at their chart. And they are a Libra rising with Venus in Leo, right on the midheaven. Venus is also conjuncting Mars and the moon, which are in an exact conjunction. They're both at 11 degrees. And so the first thing I noticed is with Venus on the rising, with that being the ruler of Libra, right? Venus rules Libra. So Venus, for this person, is their chart ruler. And with Venus on the midheaven, this person probably has a lot of identity with their career. Like, I mean, we all do, in our society today, but this person is, like, probably going to have that, dialed up past 10, right? And then that Moon, Venus, Mars conjunction is also super interesting because that's like the two softest, most feminine planets with like a very masculine planet. So especially with the moon conjuncting Mars, probably a lot of your motivation is from your emotions. And again, this is true for everybody, but if you have Mars, especially in an exact conjunction, Mars, the moon, you are, again, it's just going to be dialed up past 10. That link between motivation and what you do and how you feel. And another thing, like, again, these are all possibilities. Like with the moon conjunct Mars, of course, there is also the possibility for like anger issues and maybe impulse control with emotions, maybe struggling. Did I say anger already? Sorry. Yeah, potential aggression. But again, with Mars being like motivation and our activity and our like working out, same Moon Mars, you definitely want to prioritize like physical activity in your life. That's going to help a lot. So yeah, gosh, now I lost my train of thought. There was one more thing that I really wanted to say about that. Oh, just the positive side. I said a lot of things that like people are going to mention right away about Mars, Moon. And a lot of those can sound negative. They're not necessarily negative, especially in like whatever, every circumstance requires a different way of handling it. But there's also, again, a lot of that like motivation and activity and maybe finding it easy to be like a very active person. That is like a really positive trait, especially I say that as like a Taurus with not a lot of motivation and Mars.